Okay, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So in this part of the video, I'll be showing you how you can do name reservation on the new CAC portal. So in my previous video, I showed you how to do your name search. So if you haven't watched the video, you can check the description box below or check my YouTube channel to see how to do the name search on the new CAC portal interface. So as you can see, so we are on currently on the pre-incorporation section. So in order for you to do name reservation, you must have in mind a name you want to register in mind. So you now click on new reservation. So once you click on new reservation, the first thing you have to choose is to choose the type of business classification. So if it is business name, you choose if it is company, then limited partnership and limited liability partnership. So as you can see, if it is in the previous interface before they do the portal upgrade, so here we are going to also be seeing incorporated trustees. But if you haven't watched my video on how to navigate the interface of new CAC portal, where I explain where you can get that aspect of incorporated trustees, so you can simply check my YouTube channel to get it and watch it. So here we are going to be reserving a name for business name. So I'm going to click business, then you select decide if it is a sole proprietorship or partnership. So a sole proprietorship is just a single man business. It is owned, managed, and run by single individual. While partnership consists of like 2 3 person owning its business and being managed by them. So in this case, we are going with sole proprietorship. So then we are going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to bring out this interface. So before it has two sections where you can include two names for submission. But in this case, since AI has been integrated into CAC system where you can easily submit the name, so there is no situation whereby you have to just submit a name and be guessing if it's going to be approved or not. So here we have to input the name. So the name is Delphin Tech Enterprise. So and now you have to add a qualification, a qualifier rather. Sorry, a qualifier to the name before it can pass through CAC system. So let me show you what I mean by a qualifier. So before I go to that, let me show you. Then you have to choose the nature of business. So this has to do with telecommunication. So then you have to choose from the category here. Then you have to look for the category, then you have to choose from it. So we have the first category. So in this case, I'm going to be choosing information and technology. Then our specific category, say, which is going to be graphic design or information service activity. So depending on what you are doing, so you have to go through it, then uh choose the one that best fits for your business or company. So here I'm going to be choosing software development, web design, and intranet. So once I choose that, then you have to check the availability. But note something before you click on check availability. Make sure the nature of business you are choosing align with what you are doing. So before on the form portal of CAC, there is a section for where you can input the description of what you do when you get to actual registration. But now it's not the case as at the time of recording the video. So once make sure you choose the one that align well with your business or company, because that's what's going to show on your profile. Then what I want to do now is to click on check availability. So I want you to see something now. So as you can see, the proposed name check description did not pass the compliance check. Reason: okay, business name too similar. So a similar name already exists, which is Delphine Gold Venture with 90% similarity. So if your name is has been registered, is if the name is similar to an already registered name, so what I can do is you can update the proposed name or get a name suggestion. So if you click on get name suggestion, so it's going to give you some name suggestion based on the name. As you can see, Davidson Spark Creative, Davidson Edge Protocol. So but I'm not going to be going with this. So let me just add the word enterprise to this. Then we let's see how it's going to go. So I'm going to click on check availability. So as you can see, congratulations, the proposed name Devson Tech Enterprise is available for registration. So I'm going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to ask you to continue to payment. So I'm going to click on continue to payment. Then we make the payment the usual way we normally make our payment. So as of the time of recording this video, the reservation payment is 500 naira. So and CAC might likely increase it. So as they have announced in their publication few weeks ago, like they are going to increase some prices for the name for some fee rather. So I'm click on remitter, then by I click on remitter, then we are going to be making the payment. So in this case, I'll be making the payment using a bank transfer. So I'm going to click to make the payment. So I'll click here. Then once I make the payment, I'm going to show you if it is approved or not. So I'm gonna copy this. So now our payment has been made. So as you can see, the name has been approved immediately. So this name is being approved immediately. So you can either copy your availability code and keep it somewhere. So or you click on continue to filing to continue the registration, or you click on go home. So thank you. That is how you can simply do your name reservation on the new interface of CC. So thank you and see you in the next part of the video.